Immensely. I mean, we were not treated well by the French. We were, I mean, these days you go, people that go overseas beforehand, that decide on the places you stay, on the sort of food you're gonna get, and all of those. How far away how what will the practice venues like, and how will all the and you conclude a contract. Those days, not being put up in a hotel in the smallest of rooms, far away, out of town, like in the countryside. We traveled great distances to go for practices. They really tried to make it comfortable as possible. And what is really one of the things that happened in those days, they tried to make us out as these rude Afrikaners. Quite negative publicity arises around that tour also.